I remember Captain Man had quite a fun time in the dirt last time, remember the Grom? So we're just going to do something a little better today. We're going to take him in some even more hardcore dirt trails, and we're going to have even more fun. Arson's getting in his inner beauty right now. He's straight like moving his hair out of his eyes and shit and fucking making sure his nails are on fleek. I can show you the world slithering full of gay Arsons. He will take his mushroom tip out with Captain Man flying by to go inside of your goody hole and miss this turn. Time for a secret trail entrance. You ready for all kinds of fun trail riding? All kinds of fun trail riding? Yeah. Let's do this. Now that we're here, I'm kind of concerned, but I think he'll do fine. Yeah! Captain Man on that rear brake action now. Damn, someone like either butt fucked a sheep or lost a pillow. Oh shit! This thing sounds like a fucking hot rod going through here. Or some other guy be doing the same thing going, oh shit! Started what you finished. Oh shit. I hope that's somebody's dog right there. What's up, bud? Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh, oh shit! Oh. I didn't even see that, dude. Oh my god. Oh fuck. I didn't even see it.
How did you not see it? I wish I was recording. That's probably one of the best falls I've ever seen.
I got up, I'm looking at you, I'm like, oh shit!
Oh, well, what happened to it this time? Looks like this is still the same.
I think it's still good.
Well, are you alright?
I'm good, dude.
Let's do it out of here.
No, we can just continue down. Do you want to keep going or you want to go back up?
No, I can continue going. I'll just take it slower.
Yeah. Good guy, Arson. Alright, well, good?
Yeah, I'm good, dude.
Ready? Well, now I'm breathing in all this dust, asshole.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
With the purse and leopard shirt. Oh shit, there's a guy in the sky on a parachute. We could probably catch him landing. We could probably catch that guy! You ever seen a guy wearing a purse and a leopard shirt taking some KLR action off-road? Well, now you have. You lost your purse! Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm laughing too hard for no reason right now. Oh shit! Oh, they ate it. Hope Josh ain't eating dick down there. He ain't even chancing shit anymore. He's like, nope, nope, no.
No, 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 I don't wanna. No, no, oh, no, no, no. Huh?
I literally just forgot that we ain't gonna be able to get Arson's bike under this gate up here. We're about to have to fucking get all McDickhead up in this bitch. Not MacGyver, McDickhead. Which is even a worse version of MacGyver. Yep, we sure do. I put my Grom under this last time. Is there a cut around right there?
Yeah. I won't take you across, but I'll take you to it.
Okay.
You gotta follow me in here.
Man, we're getting some fucking escort action. I got you.
Coming out of that stream over there.
I want to watch the parachute guys land. Oh shit, there's like 10 of them up there now. Oh, that looks like a bridge that goes over right there. Ooh. About to go all pro landing and shit. I would romp up that hill, but it'd probably be frowned upon. Homeboy skimming in tough. Yeah, that must be so relaxing. Watch out, she's gonna queef on you. Watch him come in like. Damn! He tried to wipe his ass on the grass and then land. Oh, now we just got some fire sunset action. Road shooter Maggie. Oh, I thought I was gonna make some big cloud. Ooh, look at them colors. Well, guys, gonna go and conclude this little video. Make sure you check out Captain Man and Arson Rods. I'm gonna put some links for them in the description down below. Show them some love. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the out of that like button. You guys have a real good day. I'll see you guys later. CHEAH!
Yeah!